Hey and welcome back to my channel. I'm Daniel and today I will show you how you can solve this problem with Premiere Pro 2020 when you have this incredible glitch effect inside of the timeline. I'm not talking about performance issues because the laptop that I got, the Dell XPS 15, it's with the max specs. I just got it. There's a video unboxing. You should check it out. Not putting any stuff into my timeline, but it already started to glitch so heavily that I can't even edit anymore. And I was kind of like almost throwing my laptop out of the window already. I was kind of like in the last couple of days trying to find a solution. And I was on the time pressure because I also had a project to finish. And I was writing back and forward with the Dell support. And now finally I got the solution. And the solution is actually pretty simple. Solution number one, always try to have the newest updates of your drivers on your machine because it's very important, because sometimes there are fixes in the drivers that can maybe correlate with the program and then everything works fine. In my case, it wasn't helping. It wasn't helping at all. I also went to the internet. I found a solution about the sound driver that you can change the settings inside of Premiere, take off the microphone input, and then in some cases it would help, but not in my case. And so the reason why my machine wasn't working and I got this glitch effect is actually inside of the newest version of Premiere Pro, so the 2020 version. Even if they support the graphic cards that I have at the moment, I have the GeForce GTX 1650, but I still had those problems. So what was the solution? The solution is actually just to downgrade my Premiere Pro. So when I installed the 2019 version, I had no problem at all. So if you ever have this problem, try it out. Maybe it will help. I think that maybe in 3 months or maybe in 5 months, the newest version will have some updates, so it will run with my laptop as well. If you have a Dell XPS 15 with the max specs as well, it could be that you have the same issues. In case that your machine is just too slow and you need a couple of tips and tricks how you can improve the workflow inside of Premiere Pro, there's a couple of good videos that I watched because I try to fix my problem that can help your workflow. So I will link them here. Just check them out. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Give it a like, subscribe, dingle, 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 the bang, bang, bang. You know what to do. And we see us tomorrow. I'm Daniel. Bye.